Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make apple pie with Pillsbury crust using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: 2 Pillsbury pie crusts, 6 to 8 medium apples, sugar, flour, and your favorite pie spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. Next, peel, core, and slice your apples into thin, uniform pieces, about 1/4 inch thick. Finally, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and get your 9-inch pie plate ready. Now, let's create that delicious apple filling. In a large bowl, combine your sliced apples with about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This helps thicken the juices. Then, add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg for that classic apple pie flavor. Gently mix everything together until the apples are evenly coated. Finally, carefully place 1 Pillsbury pie crust into your 9-inch pie plate. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble the pie. Carefully pour the apple mixture into the bottom pie crust, mounding it slightly in the center. Next, place the second Pillsbury pie crust over the filling. Trim any excess dough, then crimp the edges of both crusts together to create a sealed, decorative finish. Don't forget to cut several small slits in the top crust. This allows steam to escape, preventing a soggy pie. Now for the best part, baking. Place your pie in the preheated oven and bake for 15 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. After 15 minutes, reduce the oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 35 to 45 minutes. The crust should be golden brown and the filling should be bubbly. Let it cool completely before slicing and serving. Remember to check the description for a link to the O-Ala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.